PUNEHOD L1800 DTF printer with roll feeder is built for consistent and efficient output on a wide variety of fabrics. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for the best price. Whether you're working on custom apparel or DIY projects, this machine comes fully equipped for both light and dark garment printing. One of its standout features is the integrated roll feeder and cutter function, allowing seamless, continuous printing. With the included 100-meter roll film, you're no longer limited to one sheet at a time. This means greater productivity and reduced material waste. Each print is automatically sized and cut, saving time and effort with every job. The printer is compatible with all types of fabrics, from cotton and polyester to leather and more. Whether you're printing on hoodies, handbags, or caps, the A3-1800 DTF handles it with ease. The maximum print width supports up to 13 inches, making it suitable for both small and mid-size projects. From t-shirts to tote bags, its versatility opens the door to endless customization possibilities. Another key advantage is its advanced DTF white ink technology. With a built-in white ink mixing and recirculation system, as well as automatic cleaning, the printer maintains consistent flow and prevents nozzle clogging. These functions significantly extend printhead life and ensure smooth operation with minimal maintenance interruptions. When it comes to print quality, the L1800 DTF excels. Using a CMYK+WW color setup and L1800 nozzle technology, it delivers sharp, vivid, and long-lasting prints. Colors pop, details remain crisp, and the results are highly professional, ideal for both first-time users and seasoned creators. The printer comes as a complete kit, so you don't need to buy separate parts. Inside the package, you'll find the A3 printer, roll stand, oven, inks, powder, transfer films, software, accessories, and even tutorial videos to help you get started right away. This all-in-one bundle ensures you're production ready from day one. To top it off, PUNEHOD backs you with a responsive support team. Any issues with setup or operation are met with expert help within 24 hours, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum confidence in your investment. Click the link in the description below to check the current best deal on this powerful DTF printer kit.